Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Chris from Unbox Addiction. Here is an opinion of the HP Chromebook 13G1. As you know, I had a Acer Chromebook 15 prior. Unfortunately, I had dropped it on my way home from school. I had my hands full and I didn't want to make the return trip to the car, so I thought I can carry everything home in both hands. And unfortunately, one thing slipped, and my Chromebook was the one that slipped. So, anyways, just like before, I scoured the internet to see if I can get a good deal on Chromebook. I came across this HP Chromebook. Got a good deal on eBay. This thing is about 2 years old. I remember when it first launched, it was around anywhere between $500 to $1,000. Well, I was able to score this thing online for about 70 bucks. So you can't beat that. This thing came out at the time when the Google Chromebook Pixel 2 came out. It was actually kind of designed from that. But anyways, as you can see, it is very thin. One of the reasons that attracted me to it. Let's turn it over to the side here. 2 USB-Cs, USB-A, headphone jack. Again, as you can just see, this thing is just incredibly thin. Go to the back, there's a chrome hinge. On the other side, it's a micro SD card. And again, I'm just really trying to let you guys see just how thin and portable this thing is. The thing is a little smaller than the Acer Chromebook that I had prior. That was again, that was 14 inches. This is 13 inches. Actually, I think 13.3, but I may be wrong on that. But I mean, you can just literally tell just look how thin it is. It's all aluminum, top and bottom, except for down here it's black, and it has rubber feet, and that's fine. This is plastic, and it has a little vent for heat dispersing. But anyways, I just like the style of it. The style just really attracted me. The chrome.hp logo. So, all right, let's go ahead and crack this baby open. Unfortunately, I don't have an unboxing. The box that this came in was damaged, so there was kind of no point in me doing an unboxing. So this is just the product itself. Anyways, let's open it up. And as you can see, another reason why I got this is because it has a backlit keyboard, whereas my prior Chromebook did not. So this will be great when I'm working at night, not to disturb the wife. Trackpad. I'm not sure if this is a glass trackpad or not. I really can't tell, but it's very nice. The keys I like very much. These are almost reminiscent of the old MacBook Air keyboard. So I like that. The screen is very crisp. I think this is more than 1080p. It could be, I don't know about maybe 2K or 4K, but the screen is just very crisp and very sharp. So let me go ahead and log in. Let's try this again. Anyways, like I said, I don't know if you can see it on here. The screen on this camera may not do justice, but the screen on here is just very crisp and very sharp. The colors just really pop out to me. So I think I got a pretty good deal on it. Again, I'm just enthralled about how incredibly light this thing is. Again, I'm not a tech enthusiast. I'm not really a tech guy. I'd say I'm more of a tech novice. So I can't tell you the specs on this thing or what's good and what's hot and what's hot on the streets these days. I just got something to just help me get through life, through school. And so far, I've had this thing for about 2 weeks, and it's done that in spades. So again, don't ask me about the specs. I cannot answer that for you. You can probably look the specs up online. Anyways, this is pretty much it. Oh, another thing here is, as you can see, they also partner with a Bang & Olufsen, so it has a little speaker bar here, and it sounds pretty good. I mean, I guess as far as speakers go, but the fact that they're, top level, whereas used Chromebooks have them at the bottom of this device. So there's that. Let me see if I can maybe play something right quick. Let me pull up a podcast or something. Hang on a minute.
Well, I guess there are worse misunderstandings. If you've got smart speakers throughout your life, all over your house, I bet, maybe one or two at work, but not in your car, why not? You can do it now. I'm going to show you how, but I'm also going to show you why you may not need to.
So again, I'm not sure how well you can hear that, but I mean, it sounds great. So anyways, I'm just going to close this thing back up just so you can just see how thin this thing is. I mean, this thing is incredibly thin. I mean, I don't know how they're able to do it. I'm sorry if I'm sounding overexcited, but I mean, compared to the Chromebook I had prior, this thing is incredibly thin. This thing is about as thin as a tablet. So let me just close this thing back up again. So the design and everything of it is what attracted me. And I got a good deal on eBay on this. This thing, like I said, when this thing came out 3 years ago, it was around $500 to $1,000. I was able to score this in an auction for $70. So I mean, hell, you can't beat that. Anyways, that's it, guys. Like I said, I just want to keep this kind of short. Anyways, that is the HP Chromebook 13-inch G1. As usual, if you like these videos, please like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't, well, I appreciate you watching anyways. You guys take care. I'm just going to do a few more profile shots of it.